All matter is made up of small particles called atoms and molecules. A. Lavoisier is the father of chemistry, and he laid the foundation of chemistry by establishing two important laws called laws of chemical combination. Law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Law of constant proportion says that in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportion by mass. Postulates of Dalton's atomic theory were: all the matter is made up of very teeny particles called atoms. Atoms are indivisible particles which can't be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical properties. Atoms of different elements have different masses and different chemical properties. Atoms combine in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compounds, and the relative number and kind of atoms are constant in a given compound. An atom is the smallest particle in an element that can take part in chemical reaction. Only the atoms of noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, etc. are unreactive and can exist in free state. Atoms can't be subdivided in chemical reactions. The atomic mass is the mass of an atom of any element. Carbon-12 isotope was chosen as a standard reference for measuring the atomic masses. One atomic mass unit is the mass unit equal to exactly 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon-12. Relative atomic mass of atom of an element is defined as the average mass of atom as compared to 1/12 the mass of one carbon-12 atom. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together by attractive forces. A molecule can be defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compound that is capable of independent existence and shows all the properties of that substance. Molecules of an element are constituted by same type of atoms. Molecules of a compound contains two or more different types of atoms. A charged species is called as ion. Negatively charged ion is called anion and positively charged ion is called cation. A group of atoms carrying a charge is known as a polyatomic ion. When composition of compound is represented symbolically, it is called as chemical formula of that compound. While writing a chemical formula, first the constituents of the compounds are written. Then charge or the valencies present on them is written. When a compound consists of a metal and a non-metal, the symbol of metal is written first. If compound is formed of polyatomic ions, the ion is enclosed in a bracket before writing the number to indicate the ratio. If no polyatomic ion is present, then bracket is not required. Then we cross over the valencies and we get the formula. Molecular mass. Sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule is called molecular mass. It is the relative mass of the molecule expressed in atomic mass units. Formula unit mass. The word formula unit mass is used for those substances which are made up of ions like NaCl. It is calculated in the same way as we calculate the molecular mass. Atomic mass of substance expressed in grams is called as gram atomic mass. When molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams, it is called gram molecular mass. A mole is a chemist counting unit. 1 mole of anything is equal to 6.22 into 10 raised to power 23 in number. This is experimentally obtained value. 1 mole of any particle, that is atom, molecule or ion, is equal to relative mass of those particles in grams. Number of moles is calculated by given number of particles divided by Avogadro number, or given mass over molar mass. Total number of particles can be calculated by multiplying Avogadro number with number of moles.